Why does the road suddenly lead into the bushes?
Oh my gosh!
Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos.
Huh? What happened?
Aha!
What is he planning to do?
Oh yeah, let go.
Oh my gosh!
Bye.
Oh my gosh!
Hey you.
Oh no!
What will he do next?
Aha!
Hey. Hey you.
Oh my gosh! Hey, stop! Oh no!
Hey.
Bye!
Oh yeah, let go. You know.
Bye!
What should we do now?
Hey you. Wait. Yeah. You know.
A few moments later.
What will happen next? If you find the video good, don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next videos.